Good morning, this is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, starting off with some partly cloudy conditions this morning with mainly dry conditions around the area this morning. Going to have a boundary moving through the area as we move through our morning hours, and that's going to bring in a period of some fairly pleasant, more seasonable temperatures and not much in the way of precip chances as we move over the next couple of days and through much of the work week. Take a look at our current surface analysis. We have this boundary to our north that's sinking through the area slowly as we move through the morning hours today. A few showers off to the west that could try to move close to the area, but expect that to stay south of the boundary as that pushes through and mainly south of our area. And behind that, we'll see this high pressure building in to our north. That's going to keep things quiet around here for the next couple of days and bring in some onshore flow. That's going to keep temperatures a bit more comfortable as we move through the next couple of days as well. Take a look at the current visible satellite. We can see got the composite radar here. Some showers that were off to the west have dissipated over the last hour, mainly just seeing some clouds moving through, and we'll just see those clouds continue to move through as we move through the day today, and see things start to clear up as we move into the evening time frame. If we look at current conditions, there's a few clouds around 9,000 feet, scattered at 18,000 feet, broken at 25,000 feet, winds out of the north. Around 4 knots, temperature 78 degrees, our relative humidity is at 81%. Take a look at what we can expect for the next couple of days. Looking at the European model here, we'll see as we move through the day, the European model does indicate a chance of a few showers popping up to our west and southwest as that boundary sinks through the local area. We'll see does keep it mainly south of the area. This does have a shower popping up along the Virginia eastern shore to our south, so that would be the closest chance we'll see of a shower, maybe even a thunderstorm in our area. But overall, expecting that to stay to the south and dissipate as we get into the later afternoon, and things remaining dry as we move through the day today. We'll see that onshore flow start to build in as we move through today, and it's going to bring in some slightly cooler, more seasonable temperatures as we move over the next couple of days. As mentioned, things looking mainly dry as high pressure is to our north. We keep that onshore breeze as we move through the day on Tuesday. European model does indicate maybe a light sprinkle possible here, as it does show some simulated precip in the area tomorrow. But that's most likely some cloud cover with that onshore flow and low-level moisture, but can't rule out maybe an isolated sprinkle as we move through the day tomorrow, but nothing very impactful. And we'll continue to see onshore flow as we move overnight Tuesday night into the day on Wednesday, with another comfortable day and things looking dry once again for our Wednesday. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, expecting green conditions as we move over the next 24 hours. We'll see a very slight chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the vicinity later this morning and for the first hour or two of the afternoon. Again, expecting that mainly south of the area and should not see any impacts locally here at Wallops, but can't rule out that possibility, assuming that boundary is a bit slower to move through the area. But seeing those winds turn more northeasterly to northeasterly as we move through the day today, peaking around 7 to 12 knots. And we'll see our high temperature up around 85 degrees, keeping mostly cloudy conditions through much of the day, as we do expect a ceiling around 5,000 feet as that boundary pushes through. We continue to see some clouds. As that boundary pushes south of the area, we'll start to see some reduction in cloud cover and becoming mostly clear as we go into the evening time frame. We'll also see those winds become fairly light, but still keeping an onshore component. And we'll see a slight chance for some patchy fog for the pre-sunrise time early tomorrow morning. But otherwise, our low temperature expected around 69 degrees. Tides running slightly above normal. Tuesday, partly cloudy, mostly cloudy at times, with that onshore breeze bringing in some low-level moisture, possible some clouds building in at times as we get some daytime heating, but very slight chance of that isolated sprinkle, but not expecting much from that, with a high expected around 84 degrees. Green conditions continue Tuesday into Wednesday, mostly clear with Tuesday night. Slight chance of patchy fog once again, low around 69. And Wednesday, partly cloudy, mostly cloudy at times, once again with that onshore breeze, and seeing a high around 83 degrees. That wraps up the 8:15 daily operation weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.